All right. Good evening, everybody. I'm coming to you all live today. Calvin Butler, the commercial loan guy, because as you all know, I've launched my new venture, First Choice Financial Incorporated, which we are a full service mortgage provider. But they're only showing on the taxes 100,000, couple 100,000, or if they're making $300,000 or $400,000, they may be showing on the taxes only 50, 60, $70,000 a year. And then from that, they take their deductions from that 60, $70,000 a year, and they owe no taxes. That's because they have their money. 90% of their money is sheltered in some type of tax shelter, like Robinhood, which is an investment banking account, Acorns, Morgan Stanley, any type of investment account where your money is held in any type of investment account, it is non-taxable. So the non-QM loans are those people who either don't want to show their last 2 years tax returns, or they don't have tax returns, or their actual income, their actual revenue, what they make, is not reflective in the tax returns. So it's a great way for those people to get approved for a mortgage. Now, today I want to talk about what it takes to get approved for a business loan. Okay, business loans. Matter of fact, let me share my screen real quick. I think I can share my screen. I might not be able to share it right now. It won't let me share it. Okay, so to get approved for a business loan, and basically you have to have 3 months, at least 3 months in business. Okay, that's the minimum. That is the minimum. Is 3 months in business is the minimum. Okay, 3 months in business, $5,000 or more of monthly gross sales. Now, you have to have that for all 3 of those months that you've been in business. So if you've been in business for 6 months, some lenders want to see last 2 months bank statements, 3 months bank statements, and things like that. There isn't really no minimum FICO score, but I'm going to tell you from experience in doing this that if you are below 550 on your personal credit, chances are you probably won't qualify for a business loan. Now, if you've got credit that's above 550 in the sixes and definitely in the high 6 and 7s, you're gonna get approved for a business loan if you've got at least 3 months in business. Okay, $5K in monthly gross sales, and if your credit scores are at least mid fives, you are approved. Okay, you will get approved. And I'm talking about business loans anywhere from $10,000 up to roughly $250,000 to $300,000. Okay. Now, if you got higher income or higher monthly gross sales, let's say if you're making $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month, you can qualify for up to $500,000 in a small business loan, and even higher than that. In some cases, up into the millions. Okay. But those are the things you gotta have with the business loan. Now, I want to also express that a business loan is not the same thing as startup capital. Okay, a lot of people confuse a business loan with startup capital or startup funds. Okay, funding and financing